one great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a hydrolyzed collagen supplement from Nature Target, and I received it for the evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This supplement contains 5 types of hydrolyzed collagen, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, probiotics and prebiotics. All this will help you to support healthy skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, grow strong and healthy hair, grow strong and thick nails, and also it supports joints, bones, and promote healthy digestion system. The collagen in this supplement is derived from the grass-fed bovine collagen peptides, also chicken, fish, and eggshell collagen peptides. It's natural, gluten-free, and non-GMO. The container contains 35 servings and it includes the scoop. You can add in any liquid, water, juice, smoothie, shake, or anywhere else. It doesn't have any smell or taste. Hydrolyzed collagen from Nature Target is a great choice. Quality is wonderful. It's a great addition to your daily supplements. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.